Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Today, I want to break down a new Chinese AI image model that was just released, and it's a big deal. This model is completely free, open source, and capable of generating images that look shockingly real. Human faces look natural, text actually renders correctly, and the overall image quality is strong enough for real world use. The model is called Qwen Image-2512, developed by Alibaba, and it has already ranked as the top open source image model in large scale blind evaluations. That alone should get your attention, but what really matters is why it performs so well. Most AI image generation fails in three critical areas. This model fixes all three. First, human faces. You've seen it before. AI portraits that look almost right, but something feels off. Plastic skin, add proportions, lifeless expressions. That uncanny valley effect destroys credibility. Qwen Image 2512 handles this better than almost any open model available. Skin texture looks natural, facial symmetry is realistic, lighting behaves properly, and expressions feel human. This is one of the hardest problems in image generation, and it's finally being solved. Second is the texture and detail. A lot of AI images fall apart when you zoom in. Details blur, surfaces look soft, and realism disappears. That's not the case here. Landscapes retain sharpness, reflections behave correctly, animal fur has depth, and materials like wood, metal, and fabric actually look tangible. This makes the model viable for commercial use like ads, thumbnails, product visuals, and branded content. Third is text rendering. So this is where nearly every image model fails. Misspelled words, broken letters, uneven spacing, completely unusable for design work. Qwen Image 2512 gets this right. Text is spelled correctly, aligned properly, and integrated cleanly into designs. That opens the door to posters, banners, UI mockups, and social media graphics they can actually use. Now let's talk benchmarks. This model went through more than 10,000 blind test comparisons on AI Arena and came out as the strongest open source image model overall. Even more impressive, it's competitive with closed source alternatives. So that's a major shift in the AI landscape. You can try it yourself through QuenChat, the official playground, or access directly through the Quen ecosystem. You can also see side by side comparisons on AI Arena. Let me walk you through some real tests. So, first, human realism. I use a portrait prompt, focus on natural lighting, visible skin texture, and realistic proportions. The result didn't look like AI. It looked like a professional photograph, no plastic skin, no distorted features, just a believable human subject. Next, I stress tested environmental detail with a sunrise mountain lake scene, mist, reflections, lighting, textures, everything held up even when zoomed in. This genuine photographic quality. And if you're running a business, this is where things get serious. Tools like this can replace hours of manual design work. Now back to testing. For texture accuracy, I use a close-up wildlife prompt featuring a tiger. The first showed individual strands, whiskers were sharp, and the lighting looked natural, comparable to professional wildlife photography. I also tried a hyper realistic extreme close up portrait of Joker, filling the frame in profile to three-quarter view. And here's the result. So it's giving an ultra high resolution image, and the macro level detail is excellent. Then came the real challenge, which is the text. So, using a minimalist poster design prompt, the model produced clean typography, correct spelling, balanced spacing, and a usable layout. So, that alone puts it ahead of most image generators on the market. So, what can you actually use this for? So, you can use it for YouTube thumbnails, social media creatives, digital ads across platforms, product mockups, even posters and banners. Tasks that previously required designers can now be handled internally with the right prompts. Now, what's happening here is bigger than one model. Open source AI has caught up. Free no longer means low quality. The gap between open and closed systems is closing fast, and ignoring that shift puts you behind. Here's how to get started. So, test the model yourself. Don't rely on opinions. Start with simple prompts before refining. Design prompts around your specific use case. Save what works and build a prompt library. Qwen Image 2512 stands out because of the combination realistic humans, sharp textures, accurate text rendering, fast generation, open access, and zero cost, completely free. So this isn't hype, it's a real turning point in AI image creation. My recommendation is simple: try it, integrate it into your workflow, and think bigger about how much content you can now produce. The bottleneck is no longer technology, it's execution. Qwen Image-2512 is one of the strongest open source image models available today, especially for human realism and typography, and it's completely free. That's the future of content creation, and it's already here. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next one.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixie from Technic Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. Hundreds of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Remove backgrounds from any image. Upscale images and restore photographs. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixie is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixie now. Just go to getpixie.in.